In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete call history in Microsoft Teams. Now, right from the start, it's important to understand that Microsoft Teams doesn't allow you to delete call history directly. Whenever you open the Calls tab, you'll see your recent activity, whether you're using a personal account or one through work. However, there are a few alternative options that might help you achieve similar results depending on your needs. Let's dive into these methods and explore how you can manage your call history more effectively. First, launch Microsoft Teams. If you're using a desktop or mobile device, ensure that you're signed into your account. This is the essential first step, as you can't access or manage any of your team's data, including your call history, without being logged in, so take a moment to make sure everything's set up and ready to go. Now, one alternative method to manage your visibility of call logs is by hiding chats. Go to the chat section within Microsoft Teams and look for the conversation that's linked to the call you wish to remove from sight. Once you've located the conversation, click on the More Options icon, which is usually indicated by 3 vertical dots or ellipsis. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find the option to hide the chat. By selecting Hide, the conversation will disappear from your chat list. However, keep in mind that this only removes the chat from view. The call entry itself will still be visible under the Calls tab. This method is useful if you're looking to clear up space in your chat list without worrying about the call details remaining accessible in case you need them later. For those using Microsoft Teams through a work or school account, there is another option thanks to retention policies managed by your Microsoft 365 administrator. Retention policies determine how long call records and various other data types are stored before being automatically deleted. It's an administrative feature that can only be accessed by someone with the necessary permissions, typically managed in the Microsoft 365 Compliance Center. Unfortunately, it's not a feature you can tweak yourself within the Teams app unless you have administrative privileges. To sum up, while you can't directly delete call history in Microsoft Teams, hiding chats offers a quick fix for decluttering your views. And for more permanent solutions regarding call data, engaging your Microsoft 365 admin to adjust retention settings might be the way forward. Navigating these processes might feel a bit complex at first, but with a little patience, you'll get more comfortable with it. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you better manage your call history in Microsoft Teams.